Hey guys, so this is the next trade in Nifty and we are actually buying Nifty. Now, it little seems little awkward, but believe me, structure wise, this is the correct thing. All right. So this is going up. I am buying Nifty. And if you trust me, you should do your analysis to the upside also. All right. You would find this is going up. So anyways, this is the stop and this is the target. Forget. I'll be updating you as I go along on this trade. I am not telling everybody to take this trade because it's a riskier trade, but something I have seen which is telling me it's going up. All right. So I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. Alright guys, so finally Nifty is going in the direction of us. Alright, so what we need to pay attention now, you know what? We need to pay attention at this level, alright? The way it's coming, there are higher possibility it can do like this after that. So we don't want to lose this much, alright? So what we'll be doing, we'll be paying more attention once it reaches over there. And if any sign I see for the downside, we need to book our profits over there. In the meanwhile, we are repositioning our stop so we can actually risk less money on this trade. All right, since this is a good trade, I don't want to get out from this trade before this place. Cool. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens on this one. So this is the next update in the trade. As you can see, we are moving in the direction, but this is the nature of the corrective structure. We would be moving very slowly and very slowly. That's the only thing you need to understand. When you are in corrective structure, this is the kind of trade you will get, and when you are about to get the impulse, you gotta attack that. All right. So again, the same scenario. The way it's coming over there will be deciding whether we want to book our profits or we want to shoot for this target. All right. So I'll be updating you as we go along. I will also send you the message about it so nobody miss out to move their targets on the proper position. Hey guys, this is the next update in the trade and we need to move our target because of this corrective structure. I really don't like this way, the way it's going up. All right. It can break down to the downside anytime it wants. All right. So we need to take care of our trade. So we are switching the target, but it is still more than 1:2. So kind of good trade. All right. I know it's a tough trade, but that's how we have to deal with the corrective structures. I'll see you soon once we hit the target or if we need to close the trade before our target get hits. I'll be updating you on that. Hey guys, so this is the final update. Our target got achieved on Nifty and I would like to tell you this is really not a trade for everyone. This is not a cup of tea for every traders. This is a corrective structure and you have to understand the corrective structure to trade things like this. And personally, I don't like to trade in corrective structure. I like to shoot for the impulse, but somehow we got to stuck once in a while in corrective structure, so that's why we have to take these kind of trade. So this can break to the downside anytime. I want everybody to get out of the trade. We already made money, so we don't want to risk anything more on that. I know not so many students of IT are in this trade because of the nature of the corrective structure, but I congratulate to those who are into it and will shoot for any good trade in commodity market, and I'll be updating you on that as well. I'll see you soon. This is India Trading Academy signing off.